Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DoorDash for restaurant delivery business, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the DoorDash website or download the DoorDash merchant app from your app store. On the homepage, look for the option that says sign up or get started. Click on it to begin the registration process. Select the option for restaurant when prompted about the type of business you are starting. Fill out the required fields, including your restaurant name and location. Provide your business contact information, such as your phone number and email address. Create a secure password for your account. After completing the basic information, click Next to proceed. You will receive an email confirmation to verify your email address. Check your inbox and click on the verification link provided in the email. Return to the DoorDash registration page and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, continue to fill out your restaurant's details, including cuisine type and operating hours. Upload any required documents, such as your business license and insurance information. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy before agreeing to them. After agreeing, submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation of your application status via email within a few days. If your application is approved, you will gain access to your merchant dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard features, such as menu management and order tracking. Set up your menu by adding items, descriptions, and prices. Finally, test the system with a few orders to ensure everything is functioning properly. Your restaurant is now ready to start receiving delivery orders through DoorDash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.